What is science? What is science? Science uses evidence to construct testable explanation and predictions of natural phenomena. Generates knowledge. How do you know about something? Where does knowledge come from? What does it mean to say that science is a process? Do you think the phrase, a way of knowing, accurately describes science as a method of learning? Why? Or why not? One goal of science is to prove natural and testable explanations for events in the natural world. Science also aims to use explanations supported by data to understand patterns in nature and to make useful predictions about natural events. Science rarely proves anything because as we continue to gather more evidence, our understanding of the world continues to improve.